Hi, I'm Tyler Huffman, Technical Sales Representative with Dayton Superior. I'm here in Pennsylvania today on a job site that is utilizing our Helical ground anchor system. Our Helical ground anchor system can be used as an alternative to concrete deadmen and pouring concrete strip footers in the bracing of precast and tilt-up wall panels. One of the main advantages of our Helical ground anchor system is it can be installed inside or outside of the building pad. It also requires no curing or wait time. Once the anchor is installed to a specified pressure, they can receive immediate loading from the braces. At Dayton Superior, we have a large rental fleet of Helical ground anchors, and we also offer full installation and removal services. We have installers placed across the country to service all of your project needs. If you would like to learn more about our Helical ground anchor system or install and removal, please visit DaytonSuperior.com or contact your local Dayton Superior sales representative.